sitting with lions. And are you enjoying in jungle?
Yes, a lot. I love all the nature.
Hmm.
Tree. It's so wonderful. So much green.
Okay. Is it peaceful?
Yes.
Okay. I have seen one of your friend here.
Yeah. Oh.
I will show you. This lion. His eyes are so creepy. My goodness.
Lion
Look,
is so
it's
big.
called canopy. Wow, canopy, yes.
Oh.
He's so small.
Yeah, but
He's
it's
so small.
so fun. It's very small and kind of uncomfortable, but I really like to sit here. And I can take I enjoy her. Look, it's kind of like this.
Hmm.
Sit and ta-da!
Wow.
And the thing is, it's very strong.
I like the one thing about you that if we have not friends with us, even then we can enjoy in nature.
Yes.
Yeah.
Nature is the most stressful and happy
Friendly and beautiful, peaceful.
friend.
Good.